MCP Client Integration Report. Agent Zero's capabilities are significantly expanded through 3 integrated MCP clients. Pure_MCP provides lightweight Python implementation with SSE transport, enabling direct MCP server integration and tool execution. fastmcp offers enterprise-grade framework with multiple transport options including WebSocket and HTTP streaming. It features advanced tool management and built-in security for production environments. Chainlit delivers conversational AI with built-in MCP support through connection handlers. It provides web-based chat interfaces and real-time collaboration features. Together, these clients create a comprehensive MCP ecosystem. Pure_MCP handles backend execution. fastmcp manages enterprise orchestration, and Chainlit enables intuitive user interfaces. This integration allows Agent Zero to connect with any MCP-compliant tool server, execute standardized protocols, support multiple communication methods, and deliver visual feedback. The combination transforms Agent Zero from standalone AI into a powerful platform capable of sophisticated tool interactions, secure workflows, and collaborative operations across diverse environments.